Hey guys, I hope that you're fine. Today we are going to make a Christmas tree and I hope that you'll enjoy the video. Welcome and thank you so much for clicking on it. If you are new, please consider subscribing, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So for this video, we will need some foam, some glitter, some stars. These balls, they are used on cake. I'm just going to modify them to use on the Christmas tree. Then a ruler and these are small wooden pieces. So I'll be cutting them into two as you have seen here. And yeah, let's just go along with it. It's pretty much simple and self-explanatory. And I hope that you'll enjoy the video. You can also check out the last video I made of a Christmas wreath because the two of them can be used together. So this is after I have coated the balls with glitter and I left some. So now guys, because I wanted the tree to be stable, I am going to layer these foam pieces. They are called styrofoam, I guess, and they have been used before, as you can see. So I'm going to just lay them together to lay a strong foundation so that the tree can be very stable.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I've weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you have enjoyed and see you in my next one. Please remember to subscribe. Bye.